All right, you have to see how awesome this is. It's the side of my house. I installed these solar powered lights, and it's the sweetest thing because they're motion activated. So look how cool. It lights up the path because I built the shed over here for the garbage cans. So that goes on with the motion. So that's my sweet new garbage can shed. You can watch the video of how I built that as well. I did that so I could park in my garage because it's cold and I'm getting tired of parking outside and scraping the window and all that. And with our HOA, we have to keep our garbage cans inside. And so went ahead and built this shed. Now, if you keep going, it's sweet. My kids have been wanting to have lights back here because they like to play football at night with their friends and just throw the ball around for a long time. And so I went ahead and put a light on the side of this shed. Then, if you keep going, we got one over here. Boom. I think I'm going to install a couple more down this way so it's just brighter. This is the commons area, so you can see the other unit over there, other townhome. And then as you go, we got another one right there. Another one on the top of the shed. One here on the deck. And then one over here. So I just wanted to show you how incredible it is. Just brightens up the whole freaking yard. And it's super sweet because these solar lights I was able to stick on the side here with double-sided sticky strips, command strips, same kind you would use to like hang up the hooks that they make for Christmas lights. So I just stuck it on the back, and I did have to clean the fence post off a bit with a damp cloth and then made sure it was dry. And this has only been a day, but they're all staying. I was kind of worried they'd fall because it's like 20 degrees. I think it's been dropping even colder than that. Maybe about 18, 16 degrees at night, like deep of the night. We'll see how they hold up in the summertime when it gets 100 degrees. I don't know. But it says that it's supposed to have a range of like -20 to 125 Fahrenheit, which is pretty incredible. So they are supposed to hold up pretty well. Didn't get one up there yet. So I did want to mention these are solar powered. They have a little panel right there on top. So it's super sweet. Wireless, solar powered. Don't need to keep switching batteries out. They're super bright LEDs. And man, look how they brighten up the backyard. And I just absolutely love how they trigger when you walk by. So if the kids are out here running around, they'll stay active. Now I'm walking up the side and they just kick on as I walk by. So sweet. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. And I'll post the link in the description to these lights that I bought on Amazon. So there you can see the top. I just stuck this on the side with the same double-sided sticky command strips. And I'll post a link to that too. Let me know if you have questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos from Dan Good Dad.